In this video, I'll guide you through how you can add Google reviews to WordPress website. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. Add Google review to your WordPress website. At the beginning, you need to log into WordPress dashboard. Hover your mouse on plugin and click on Add Plugin. Now on the search box, you need to search for widget for Google review. Once you found this plugin, then click on Install Now button and wait for a few seconds. Once the install process is complete, then click on Activate. Then you will come to this page. If you didn't find this page, then click on testindex.io. Now click on Connect button and search for your business name, location, place ID or Google Map. Let's go with business profile name. Now select your Google business profile and click on Connect. Then all the review will appear on this place. Now you can see lots of pyramid layout. Now choose one of them and click on select. Now click on select again and scroll down and set up your widget settings. Let's keep it as it is and click on save and get code. Here is your shortcut code. To add Google review on your WordPress website, let's open a post or page. Then click on add block and search for shortcode. Now paste a shortcode here and save as changes. Let's see the preview. Then your Google preview will be show up. By following this tutorial, you can easily add Google reviews to WordPress website.